Welcome back. It's the Fan Rap Radio. Yo. And welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Today we're checking out the music video from Zakwe and Duncan from their album Zakwe and Duncan. If you remember, in February they dropped the music track called Side B from the same album, and right now they just dropped another video. Guys, I'm telling you, I love this track, man. Beside the video, I really love the track. The track called Captain, Kana Captaini, the way you can call it, ne? They dropped the official music video. This is about 12 hours ago. Not long, ne? By midnight, yeah. So on this track, they feature Questa. So I'm gonna check out the video, guys. So let's go check out this music video. You can comment, you can like, you can subscribe, you can share. And don't forget, www.vanrapradiostation.co.za. The revamp is almost done and we're about to be back full force. And you can submit your music at Vanrap Radio Station. vanrapradio@gmail.com or vanrapradiostation@gmail.com. Yeah, one of the two emails. Yeah, let's do this thing. I'm in here and we're about to do this, you know. Okay, sorry about that. We seem to have had a glitch. But yeah, man, let me check out this music video right now. Let's go and let's check it out. Kevin mostly famous for his Sarafina part when he was playing on that Sarafina, and then also on Yezo. You remember Chester? Yeah, man. So let's check this out. You know, I don't know, but I just love Kusheshe. You know, this is the kind of thing, man, when you're chilling or wherever you are, you're driving around or you're walking around, kind of music you want to play, man.
Let's get it on. I'm in the morning, so I'm back to set it off. Bigger than manji, gas and corn, KG. Master this guest, turning them there, but who's now or never, I'm better than feathers. I battle contenders, my bang here's what I best on catch up. My pemby, Heba, Sabajela, Sakenda, Gekeba, the script from the Bella, Sabajela, Sakema, Sabenja, Miss Reda, the Cheddar, and my keg, and no Gena Glitch, my baby Perez, and Geni Shagel, that's credit, Gejela, Scotty, Menjela, my Bekera, my Pele, Bejela, get 1,000 gigs, lab of it.
Let's be honest. I don't know how Zakwe get to flow like these, man. This guy, man. We talk about real talent. When we talk about the real talent, you hardly see the real talent up there, man. It's difficult to see the dopest shining even bigger, you know. But damn it, this guy. Wait a little bit, man. And I like how Questa killing the hook right there, man. He's doing it, yo, man. Hey. And don't forget to check out Questa's album also, ne? Got Guluva. Nine Gunzi. Big Zulu.
Abana kushena ngilike abantu moyo phansi nawe kodena bethu uyafala simvulo sefena semnetha hey laba bantu bethu
abantu bethu
ingabe ngageji hey bahlala ama games ngikade bundle ka captain kale nginte xa kusayijeni
Oh, so he's sponsored by the school energy drink. Okay. Dope right there.
babambikane babayo mara basibizo swirati baphathi ibhola lemali kodwa bakhoni nokudlala basipholishe ministrati kodwa sishayina ngobumnyama aboprofessor begame plus eproper yabifine ngathi baphathi magnet badlula kudonseka abantwana bheka baphathi ikatara manje kudansa lokhu ikasi sotsitali ne-africans bagqibe nangephayo ngabazeni ngombuso njengesidakwa siphuza ngokuhamba mabe isusa khutha ngoba ungaze uyikhathe nesimbambamba bazokubeka phansi njengemali yokuhlola kwinyanga mabe isusa idrama silodi magazini kwimbakama sigqoka bodangari karini zamba stopita mara ngabomkatakata sibhema intuthu ikhishwe ngamakhala ifu khukhumala bakuzuma ngomthofu baqhumbaza phela bokapteni baqehile abalisaba igazi bafike ethuneni uqeda gqitshwa bachamela imbali
You know, what I love again, Yuri, like they kept it African, man. They kept it the way it's like you can connect to Gas. When you talk about connecting to Majida, connecting to Gasi, this is what we talk about. This is the music that us can relate, you know. Something that really have that identity that says, you know what, I'm an SA and this is how we do it. K1, it's not now. I hope I'm saying it right, guys. But guys, I don't know what you think about this video. I don't know what you think about the track. You can find it on all digital stores. I'm going to drop a link of the official video on the description so that you can also check it out, the video, man. Damn, this is way dope. Aibo. Yeah, man. Like I said, you can tell us what you think. Now I love the video. I love the track. Yeah, man. There's nothing I can say, man, that I see anything wrong. I enjoyed it, man. Kapteni, Dombra Banda la wa Nepal. Sit in a combat zone. Bambonim gush gush. I feel like you go Remburuka na Nepal. What more can you say, man? Duncan, Zakwe. You know the combination. Muspachi Pangana Sosia, Questa on top. Man, complete, finished. Eh? So you guys will tell me what you think. I love the video. Dope shit right there. Big up. I'm hoping for more visual from the album. Zakwe and Adam. Don't forget to get the album Ya Questa. It's also out there. Got Guluva. And then, yo, man, not forgetting to say RIP to one of Vendor's finest beat maker, producer, man, Exclusive G. Nah, yeah, man, G-Boy Beats. Yeah, man, Exclusive G. Exclusive to G, man. Hey, GG boy. Yeah, man. And then, yo, to Progade. Man, I'm sorry. I saw that you got involved in a car accident. Man, recover well, man. Get well, my nigga. Yeah. From us, Van Rap Radio. That was it, man. We're checking out the music video. Bakazakwe. Like I said, don't forget to send your music video. Also include your social media for Twitter. I mean, like Twitter handle. And you can drop it there, man. Van Rap Radio Station. gmail.com or vanrapradio@gmail.com. Any of those two. And then you can follow us on Twitter, Van Rap Radio, or Instagram, Van Rap Radio. We all over. Facebook, Van Rap Radio. Let's get this thing done. I'm out of here. Nibafuna zone. Damn it. This is some shit right there, which is dope. Loving this whole thing, man. Tiabuya. We minina. One. Anepo never